Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most important parts of working with Neo4J. So we are going to look into the basic pattern matching and filtering using Cypher queries. In this video, we are going to cover topics like using the where clause to filter results, how we can work with the properties and labels, and how we can sort and limit our results. So let's get started with the creation of a simple initial graph of people. We are going to use the same data or same graph which we have used in our previous videos. So this is basically a graph of people with basically they are the employees, and they have these are the names, then the properties, and then the other details. Okay, so yeah, so let me first run this query. So all the labels are being created. Now in the next part, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some relationship. So let me add some relationship. So I'm adding a relationship where sort of reports to Vishal. Let me run this. So you can see here one relationship is being created. Now let me add one more relationship and control enter. So we have one more relationship which shows that the Sean collaborates with Vishal. Now let's just have a visual representation of uh, of this graph. So match and return n. Control enter. Control enter. So you can see here, these are our four nodes and these are the relationship between them. So you can find the details by clicking on the each nodes and the properties. Now, the next thing is, first thing we are going to use is the where clause for filtering. So let's say if I want to find it out in our graph, the people who are born after 1985. So what I will do, I will just uh, use the match keyword, and where I will provide the using the where clause, I'm going to put that p dot born greater than 1985, and then I'm going to return the name and the year on which they were born. So let me return this. So you can see here, sorry, the name of the employees and the year in which they were born. So all of them are born after 1985. Similar way, if you want to select people who are whose nationality is Indian, so we can use the same using the match and where. So match P, and where P dot nationality is equal to Indian. So now we are going to return the P name and the labels and the nationality of them. So let me run this. So we can see here. So this is the name, this is the labels, and this is the nationality of them. So this way we can use the where keyword. Also we can use the Boolean logic. So let's say if we want to find it out the people who are developer or HR, so we can use this one. So match P where P developer or P HR, and then we are going to return the name and the labels. So let me run this one. So we can see here. So these are the two people who are either HR or a developer. So we can also find it out. Let's say if we want to find it out whether people of all the nodes or the all the entities who don't have an relationship reports to relationship. So what we can do, we can also use the same thing. We are first will be the match P, then where P reports to not. Here we are using the not, and then return dot P dot name. So it's going to return the name of all the employees where which don't have a relationship reports to. So I'm going to do the control enter. So we can see here, these are the people who don't have the reports to relationship. So now you can also verify from the graph, reports to is from Saurav. Okay, so Saurav is not displayed, but Vishal, Sean, and Neha is displayed. Vishal, Sean, and Neha is displayed. So this way we can do that. Now next topic is this was all about how we can use the where clause. Now next thing is like we can also work with the properties and labels. So let's say if we want to get all the product owner, so what we can do, we can just use this command, match all the P product owners, and we are going to return the name, the date of birth or born, and nationality of all the product owners. So let me do the control enter. So we have Vishal and born and the British. Now next is like if you want to find out the list of all the roles and nationalities, so then we can use this particular query. So we are using the match P, then return P dot name labels as role and nationality. So it's going to give us the following things. Okay, it's going to list out all the role and all the nationality of all the people. So next is like if you want to count the role, like how many are the count for each role. So we can use this query. So match p, then we are going to label p0 as role, and count p as the, so we are using the count keyword and passing it p, okay, as people count. So now when we do the control enter, so we can see here, so role is being defined, you can see here role is being displayed and the people count is being displayed. So for all the roles we have only one people. Then we can also do a kind of a filtering by salary. Let's say if we want to display the people who are having a salary greater than 90,000. So again, it will be same way, match P, where P dot salary is greater than 90,000, and then we are going to return the name and the salary, actual salary of that particular employee. So we have Vishal and Sean who have a salary greater than 90,000. Um, then we can also do a sorting and limiting. So we can, if you want to sort the salary by people by based upon their salary in a descending manner, so we can do that. Mm. So we are going to display the name and we are using the order by p dot salary in the descending manner. So yeah, now when I do this control enter, so you can see here based the salary and the name is displayed, name and salary is being displayed, and the salary is in the descending order. So now if you also want to find it out who are the top two earners, we don't want we only want to find out who are the top two people who have the highest salary. So we can use the keyword called as limit. So limit is going to display then it's going to display only the total number which you have specified after limit. So if I say limit 2, so it's only two results will be displayed. Limit 5, five results will be displayed. So yeah, so Vishal and Sean are the top two earners. Then we can also find it out the youngest people, youngest three people. So we can just say three here, and we'll find out who are the young three people there. So control enter, and these are the youngest people who are born 1990, 1988, 1987, and we have assigned them on the descending order. Yeah. So that's it. We have just covered. So the pattern matching with match, and we have used the where clause for filtering. We have also seen the querying labeling, querying of the labels and properties. We have seen how we can sort the results. We can also limit the results. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with what you would like to learn next. See you in the next video, and happy querying.